But sir, I'm concerned about I tried to raise my question during the question hour, but I could not get the time to express. I'm concerned about the compensation that the department is paying to those unfortunate incidents of electrocution, which is happening everywhere, even though we do not want to happen, but it's happening everywhere. And there was a case in my constituency also, which I told that there was a little girl who had lost both of her hands permanently. So in such cases, the reply from the minister is that the amount of compensation is too less, and it's a negligible amount, in fact, to pay at one time for those people who become permanently disabled for the whole life, and with that compensation. So I want to request the department if they can review of the compensation that it's to be paid to this unfortunate incident that's happening everywhere. That is my point of concern, sir, for which I want to bring out here.